So in my videos you may well have noticed that I have this stick here. Well, and you'll be probably wondering what it is and what it's for. Well, it's my Mahl stick. I can tell you all it is a dowel, a piece of dowel with a hook at the end. Yeah, can you see the little hook? I've just put in at the end there. And I've got a little hook or a nail up on the top of the easel, and I just hook it over that whenever I need to keep my hand away from the painting. So if I've got a brush and I'm doing a bit of detail on a wet painting, then I can just rest it here and apply the paint without touching the canvas. It's an old trick the old masters used to use, and this is a proper Mahl stick here. Now this is a little leather covered ball on the end of a stick, which again they used to put on the edge of their easel to rest their hand on while they painted. So I hope that puts to rest the questions I've had as to what is this stick here on my easel.